For the first time ever, the award-winning Dr. Seuss's animated classics are finally here on DVD. The beloved stories.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
The timeless songs.
By George, I think he's got it.
Share the magic of Dr. Seuss's original and unforgettable animated classics. Don't miss your chance to collect them all. On DVD today.
Splendid.
No, not Napoleon.
It's time for you to grab.
What if you could escape to a faraway world without parents,
Forget them, Wendy. Forget them all. Come away to Neverland.
without any rules, without anyone telling you what to do?
Come with me where you'll never have to worry about grown-up things again.
Never is an awfully long time.
Captain, the ice is melting, the sun is out, the flowers are all in bloom. He's back. Didst thou ever want to be a pirate? Wendy.
Promise me one thing. Leave Hook to me.
Beg for your lives.
English gentlemen, do not beg.
Please! Please!
Why do you hate him so?
Ready to lose the other one?
What this time?
Once upon a time, there was a handsome prince who set out on a quest to rescue a fair princess. For it was his destiny to climb to the highest room of the tallest tower, pull back the gossamer curtains to find her...
What?
Princess Fiona?
She's on her honeymoon.
With whom?
They're off
Come on, Shrek, we don't want to hit traffic.
on a new journey. Wow. To a distant land
Yeah, you working that hat.
where Princess Fiona
Well, this is it.
This is it. Can show off her new husband.
Our daughter has married a monster. An ogre from a swamp.
Well, I suppose that will be a fine place to raise the children.
It's a bit early to be thinking about that, isn't it?
Indeed, I just started eating.
Harold! Shrek!
Fiona! Donkey!
It's so nice to have the family together for dinner.
DreamWorks Pictures presents
Excuse me, I'm looking for the ugly stepsister.
Old Friends
Shrek and Donkey on another whirlwind adventure.
and a few surprises.
Pray for mercy from Puss in Boots. Fear me if you dare.
I'm sorry, the position of annoying talking animal has already been taken.
They're coming soon to a theater near you.
This is taking forever.
Well, find a way to entertain yourself. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play.
rather rude.
I thought it was pretty cool.
You would.
You should.
Oh, hello there. I'm Sally, and welcome to the Cat in the Hat DVD.
And I'm Conrad. And if you click over here, I'll show you some real cool stuff about the film.
Or if you click on my side, I'll tell you some amazing stories about how they made the movie.
Don't listen to Sally. Her stuff is boring. Click over here.
The word you're looking for is interesting.
Remember the fish?